Welcome to the world of ChatGPT. Today we're standing at the threshold of a tool that has redefined how humans and AI interact. Think of this as your first step into a fascinating new frontier. Together, we'll unravel the secrets of this interface, one feature at a time. But don't worry, this journey won't require a degree in astrophysics or rocket science. It's going to be informative, exciting, and yes, even a little fun. Now, let's not waste any time. You see this screen in front of you? It's like the command center of a spaceship, except instead of launching rockets, we're launching ideas, solving problems, and exploring creativity. Let me give you a quick tour. We'll keep it brief for now, because we'll dive deeper into these features in this video and others in the series. The menu that appears when you click on the profile icon is your gateway to customizing your experience, accessing tools, and managing your account. We'll briefly hover over each option to give you a clear idea of what it does. Let's get started. First up, we have My GPTs. This is where you can view and manage any custom GPTs you've created or interacted with. Think of it as your personalized collection of AI tools, all in one place. Next is Customize ChatGPT. Here, you can adjust the tone and behavior of ChatGPT to better suit your needs. Want it to be more formal or playful? This is where you make it happen. Moving on, we have Settings. This is your central hub for managing preferences like notifications, accessibility, and more. It's the place to fine-tune how ChatGPT works for you. The Upgrade Plan option allows you to explore and subscribe to advanced features. If you're looking to unlock more capabilities, this is your ticket. Then we have Get ChatGPT Search Extension. This handy tool lets you integrate ChatGPT's search features directly into your browser. It's a great way to expand your productivity beyond this interface. Finally, there's Log Out. This option ensures you can securely end your session, especially when using a shared device. Always a good habit to keep your information safe. And that's a quick tour of the ChatGPT profile menu. Each of these options plays a unique role in enhancing your experience and keeping you in control. Let's focus next on the Model drop-down menu. This menu is where you choose the AI model that best fits your needs, whether you're solving complex problems, working on creative projects, or just experimenting. Let's click the drop-down and take a closer look at each option. First, we have GPT-4o, the default model. It's great for most tasks, offering a perfect balance of speed, accuracy, and reasoning. Whether you're drafting emails, brainstorming ideas, or analyzing data, this is your go-to model. Next is GPT-4o with Canvas. This beta model is designed for collaboration, particularly in writing and coding. It's ideal for those working on group projects, drafting documents, or developing code together. Then we have o1, a model that specializes in advanced reasoning. If you're tackling complex questions or working on tasks requiring deep problem-solving, this is the model to choose. For those who value speed, there's o1 Mini. It's a faster version of o1, optimized for reasoning tasks where efficiency matters. Perfect for quick problem-solving or rapid-fire decision-making. Looking for something else? Click More Models to explore additional options like GPT-4 Mini and GPT-4 Legacy. These models cater to specialized or legacy use cases, giving you even more flexibility. Next up, we have the new chat icon. This icon lets you start a brand new conversation. Clicking it clears the current context, so you can begin fresh with a new topic or task. Think of it as resetting the stage for your next idea. Next, to the left of the new chat icon, there's the Open slider. Clicking this opens or collapses the sidebar, where you can manage past conversations and access additional tools. It's your go-to for organizing and navigating through your chats. Moving on, we have the Attach Files icon, represented by a paperclip. This handy tool allows you to upload files directly into the conversation. Whether you're sharing a document for analysis, an image for feedback, or a file for collaboration, this feature has you covered. Next is the Search the Web icon. This feature integrates web search capabilities right into ChatGPT, enabling it to provide more up-to-date and contextually rich responses. It's perfect for researching current events, fact-checking, or accessing online resources. Then, we arrive at the main prompt input area. This is where the magic happens. It's the primary space where you type your questions, commands, or ideas to interact with ChatGPT. Not only can you input text here, but you can also use voice input for hands-free convenience. Whether you're drafting an email, solving a problem, or brainstorming, this is your starting point. As we wrap up this video, let's take a moment to explore the sample conversation starters located right below the input box. These prompts are designed to inspire your interactions with ChatGPT and highlight some of its most popular capabilities. Let's take a quick look at what they can do. These conversation starters act as quick prompts to help you get started, especially if you're unsure of what to ask or want to explore ChatGPT's potential. Now, let's hover over each one to see what they do. First, we have Create Image. This feature allows you to generate images based on your ideas or concepts. It's perfect for creative brainstorming or visual content creation. Next is Analyze Data. With this prompt, ChatGPT can help you interpret datasets, identify trends, and provide insights. It's ideal for problem-solving and data-driven decision-making. Then, we have Summarize Text. Use this option to condense lengthy articles, documents, or reports into concise and digestible summaries. It's a time saver when you need the key points quickly. The Help Me Write feature assists with crafting emails, essays, and other written content. Whether you need to generate ideas, polish a draft, or create something from scratch, this is the tool for you. Finally, there's More. Clicking this expands additional options for specialized or advanced tasks. It's your gateway to exploring even more of ChatGPT's capabilities. And that's a wrap. In this video, we've explored the menu options, tools, input area, and conversation starters, and more, all designed to make your experience with ChatGPT both powerful and easy to use. But this is just the beginning. In our upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into each feature we've touched on today, showing you step-by-step how to use them effectively for real-world tasks. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next video.